Oxford Space Systems makes deployable antennas for space. When you launch a spacecraft, you want your antenna to be stowed very small, but in space you want it deployed into a large area to give higher performance, and that's what we do. Tight stowage and a large antenna. To make a deployable antenna, you need deep engineering capability. Everything from gold-plated metal mesh to composites and deep analysis of the thermal properties. We provide that, integrate that into engineering solutions and meet the customer requirements.
The UK space industry is one of the biggest in the world, employing 55,000 people and generating an estimated £18.6 billion of income for the UK in 2024.
It's export-driven, it's high-value jobs, it's high productivity. We're contributing strongly to the UK economy.
British Business Bank was instrumental in the creation of venture capital funds such as Longwall Ventures. And Longwall Ventures was the founding investor in Oxford Space Systems back in 2013. And because of their reputation and their network, they brought in many of our other investors, including IQ Capital, which is also an enterprise capital fund backed by the British Business Bank. And then Spark Capital provided valuable short-term working capital funding for us. These funds have brought in people that they know and respect who've become our key investors over the last 7 years.
One partnership that the British Business Bank has particularly enabled is with the National Security Strategic Investment Fund. That has allowed us to leverage our capability into the UK's specific national security requirements.
Funding from British Business Bank helps in the development and the research of new deployable antenna technologies or any new deployable structures that we work on. It also helps to strengthen the resources and the innovation and the new technologies that we try to develop within the company.
The Enterprise Capital Funds programme of the British Business Bank has been an absolute game changer. Without that, companies like Oxford Space Systems would have really struggled to get the correct funding to even start.
They're there through the journey, right from the start, right through to our latest investment round. Oxford Space Systems has so many opportunities ahead of us. Our goal is first of all to grasp those opportunities whilst meeting the requirements of our present customers. We're looking forward to some of our large deployable antennas being in space this year. That's going to be an exciting moment.